Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, we're back with the videos for fitness, and we're gonna continue with the series of pieces of equipment you can use at home and what kind of workouts you can do with it. Remember, this is not a routine I'm giving you. This is me showing you what kind of equipment you can have at home so you don't miss these workouts because you can't go to the gym or you just don't want to expose yourself right now with the situation we have going on in this world at the moment. So if you're interested to see what kind of equipment we're gonna be working on with today, then keep watching. This piece of equipment we're gonna be talking about today and using is gonna be the good old ankle weights. They are great for a lower body workout, but also for that specific workout that all ladies like, which is the booty workout. Seems like since the booty bands came around, we forget about the ankle weights, and let me tell you, these ankle weights they're really good because they are weighted. It's not resistance training, it's more weight training, so you can still kind of warm up and activate your glutes with the booty band, but then get a real weight training workout with the ankle weights, especially if you stack them up. For example, I have 2 pairs of 5 pounds each, and I stack them up so I get 10 pounds in each leg. Now I'm gonna be honest, I get on and off from my wagon of fitness. I am not as consistent as I would love to, and that's why you're not gonna see a nice great booty when I'm showing you these workouts. But that doesn't mean that the ankle weights don't work. It's just my lifestyle doesn't allow me to stay as consistent to build the booty like I would love to. But if you have the time and the consistency, and even if you don't, whenever you work out, it's good to work out our booties. Remember, that's our biggest muscle in our body, and it needs to stay strong. Regardless of your fitness goal or needs, your booty always needs to stay strong. So let's go ahead and let me show you what kind of workouts you can do with these ankle weights to build that booty. Okay guys, and here we go with our ankle weights. If you have those ankle weights that you can actually remove or put on more weight, those will be great. I'm pretty sure they're a little bit more expensive, but it's well worth the investment. In this position, I went into a tabletop position, then into my forearms to take a little bit of pressure off from my wrist and also from my lower back. So if you have any lower back issues, this will be the perfect position for you as well. Now I'm doing some donkey kicks, as you can see. The importance here is to go slow, in control, up and down. So you breathe in coming down, you breathe out going up, and 1 2 3 up, 1 2 3 down. As you can see, I'm stepping back right behind me. So that helps me to set up my upper body and stabilize it before I start doing the movement. Make sure the whole time your abs are contracted and strong, your upper body stabilized, and your hips, and that way you won't be sinking your spine, as I've seen plenty of people that tend to do that. And now we're going again into forearms, and as you step back, then step out a little bit with your leg, basically past hip width apart. And in this time, this movement is basically like you're gonna draw a half moon going all the way up to the other side, all the way up to the other side, making sure that knee stays strong and straight as well. As you can see, my angles aren't the best because I'm recording myself. So what I want you to know is that your upper body needs to stay as stable as possible, and your hips are going to be moving slightly just to allow your leg to go back and forward, but try not to let them just move too much. And this angle seems like they are moving a lot, but they're not. My hips are very strong, controlling that leg going side to side, as well as my glutes, obviously, because we're working the glutes right here. Make sure your abs are really contracted, and that way your spine stays stable as well. As you can see, you stepped out just a little bit, and then from there you go up and around to the other side, past the other side of your hips. This movement requires a lot of control, so make sure those abs stay contracted the whole time. You're having your proper breathing. You inhale and you exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as you touch down, and then as you go up and around, you exhale. Basically blow in air out. This next movement, once again, you step back or extend your leg back and then open it slightly to the side, and then you start lifting. Make sure that knees stays straight, your toes facing down, and you go slow and control. That spine doesn't move. You stop right where your body is aligned. As you see, when my leg goes up, it's aligned with the rest of my body. That's how far you want to go. Also remember to keep your shoulders relaxed. You don't want to squeeze those shoulders, bringing them to your ears. You don't want to do that because we tend to do that a lot. We stress a lot those muscles around our neck, and that won't be good. Going into the next movement, the importance of this one is basically like a low lunge. So you have to stay down the whole time like you're sitting on a chair. So that makes it a little bit challenging, especially with ankle weights. But moving your arms just like I'm doing, it helps you with your balance. It gets a little bit difficult for me because I don't have my shoes and my feet tend to pronate, so I have to take care of that as well. Unfortunately, in my house I don't use shoes, but I totally will recommend you to do all these movements with shoes or tennis shoes, sneakers, however you want to call them. Make sure you stay putting your weight basically on your heels, especially those that are quad dominant and tend to go into your toes. Make sure your weight is mainly on your heels, and that way you work a little bit harder your glutes. Thank you for watching.